everybody, my name is Mcclendon. I'm going to be doing a market update, going over oil, some stocks, debt, precious metals, and update on my website. So let's hit it, guys. So what we're looking at today is PE ratios and market cap. We're looking at companies that are over 1 billion in market cap, and we're looking at PE ratios that are off the charts. So right now, we're looking at some companies like Advanced Disposal at almost 19,000. Like, these are crazy. Anything over 20 is usually overvalued. Sometimes 30 is overvalued, but these are in the thousands. A lot of big companies. Tesla at 1,000, 1,050. A lot of these companies are overvalued. What does that mean? People today are not trading based on the fundamentals. They're trading off of the hype. They're trading off of Reddit posts. They're trading just to trade so they can get some yield because their bank's not paying them anything. So understand that, a lot of these companies are not following, they don't have a real true discovery mechanism, price discovery mechanism, but there's some yield there and there's volatility, so people are going after it. So be aware that we're in a stock bubble, massive one, and that you're probably buying long-term in these companies is probably a bad idea, but we'll see what the Fed does. All right, guys, let's check out the dollar. Now, the dollar has been bouncing off that 90 level right here. It is doing up a little bit. It may go up higher. I have no idea what can happen with the dollar. But if you look at the Forex pairs, trading that, it has been pretty good for the dollar going up. And also, I'll be going on to the next thing about the dollar. Dollar going up, and also crude oil. So why is crude oil important? Because crude oil is the lifeblood of the market. They need to pump up, the Fed needs to pump up the crude oil so all the other markets can go up higher. So that's the main thing. So for me, I think oil is going to be going up to $100 easily a barrel. That's a long way from here. So that's what I'm doing. If you guys want to see, have a different opinion, just drop it below and tell me what you guys thoughts on this. But let's check out some gold. Now, gold has been down, getting kind of punished a little bit. This is a beautiful, amazing thing. This is a great thing because you're getting something cheaper. The banks are giving things on discount. They're making it better for all the other retail traders and investors. So if they're making it cheaper, get into it. In my opinion, for me, that's what I'm doing. Same thing for silver. They want to beat up silver. Go ahead, beat it up, drop the price down. Go ahead. Doesn't mean anything right now because long-term perspective is going to purchase a whole lot more, and measured in dollars should be a whole lot more too. But it should be purchasing power be higher overall. So look at this. Right here, it has been, we're on the monthly, so it's been up to almost 30 level, heading back down. It might go back down here. Why not? Give us more time to prepare. But overall, it's a good time. I'm buying all the way down and all the way back up. So keep on doing what you're doing, banks. We'll play your game, we play our game. All right, next thing is gold silver ratio. Let's see where we're at, guys. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the 5-year. Now, that was such a good time when we were at 115 about, and now we are at 65, but it's still measuring gold. It takes 65 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold, but guess what? They're still undervalued to everything else. Silver is the most undervalued asset out there, in my opinion, so that's why I get both, 300 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold. Let's go to the next chart. Let's go. Now, here's the gold price versus the stock market. This is a Dow. You can see that the percentages in gain ends off the chart for the Dow, especially during this recession. So it really shows that the stock market is not connected to the economy. The stock market is just being hyperinflated. Well, let's check out the Dow silver ratio. So why am I showing you all this stuff about different ratios? You need to stop measuring things outside the dollar. Start measuring that one asset class with another asset class. See which one's more overvalued or which one's more undervalued or overvalued. So if you look at this, it takes about, zoom in a little bit, 1,171 ounces of silver to get 1 share of the Dow. Okay, this one Dow, if you want to put it like that. So it shows the silver is really, really undervalued compared to the Dow. And now we check the Dow gold ratio. Same thing. Like, I mean, we're really, really high. Really, really high. I mean, look at this high up here. That's the tech crash. Take bubble. Look at this. Still, it takes like 18 ounces of gold to get 1 share of the Dow if you put it like that. to understand it, and you're going to be like, wow, maybe I should get more precious metals instead of what is called the Dow, or investing in stocks. But I'll let you guys determine that. Now, one thing I always like to talk about is the Fed balance sheet. Fed balance sheet has been exploding, absolutely blowing up, going hyperbolic, almost doubling. So doubling up here, look at this. Maybe buy the undervalued asset and do what the opposite what the Fed's doing. The Fed's pumping up other debt markets and derivatives. Why not get into other asset classes like gold, precious metals? Something to think about. Drop a comment below if you guys think so. And here's my website, guys. Oh, wrong chart. I'm still updating it. It just takes me a while. I have a lot of things to program, especially when it comes to Forex trading and a lot of back testing. So it's the stuff I'm adding so far. If you guys like it, please just make a free account. Go to gold and silver right here. I think I have to log in, but you can log in. But here I'm adding indicators there that I back tested and created, so you guys can have them for free. Here you'll be able to trade them on the online platform and test them out. So hope you guys like those updates once I'm finished. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. I'll see you guys later.